What's up, my fellow adventurers? Today, we're hiking to the top of Griffith Peak, located in the Mt Charleston area of the Humboldt Toyabe National Forest. This is a fairly strenuous and continuously steep 10.2 mile out and back hike with just under 4,000 feet of elevation gain. This trail is best hiked during the summer months from May to October, and late September to mid-October is ideal for catching some vibrant fall colors. If you find yourself enjoying these hikes, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell to be notified of new videos, and leave me a comment with some of your favorite hikes. After some easy switchbacks, you'll reach some rockier sections, and eventually some very steep stone steps as well. The stone steps return as you make your way to a clearing with views of the valley below, curving around to your right as you continue ascending. It's difficult to imagine a more majestic time of year to experience this trail. A little further up trail, and you're moving through more vibrant trees and into the beginnings of a more traditional pine forest. There's plenty of shade and tree cover along the trail here, and it stays this way until just before you reach the ridge and another trail junction. As you near the end of the forest and make your final approach to the ridge, you're going to lose the tree cover and the shade, but this also signals that the worst is over and you're nearly there. There's a sign at the junction letting you know which way to go, and this is also where many hikers will stop to rest. This is the final push before the summit, and it's especially steep through here. But if you can just keep going, it opens up to a rocky summit and some of the best views in the valley. Super outdoorsy or just a little outsidey, follow along with me as I explore the trails. Until our next adventure, stay safe and thanks for your support.